Hi viewers, this is Victor Godfrey and I'm welcoming you all to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an amazing ready-made lead magnet funnel inside Builderall Funnel Club that enables you to start generating leads instantly and also make more sales. Guys, you know that in order for you to generate a lead, you actually need a lead magnet. And Builderall recognized the need for an effective lead magnet and went ahead and created a ready-made lead magnet campaigns. And all you need to do is to use the ready-made lead magnet campaigns rather, or funnels, and start generating leads and sales for your own business. So this is an extract of the ready-made lead magnet funnels inside Builderall Funnel Club, and you can choose any of these done for you lead magnet funnels and start generating leads and sales for your businesses online. And I also want you guys to know that with the creation of these value-packed lead magnets, you no longer have the need of spending extra money on PLR's content anymore, and you also don't have the need of hiring a copywriter anymore, because Builderall has already taken care of these needs for you right inside the ready-made lead funnels inside Builderall Funnel Club. So once you sign up and become a Builderall affiliate or become an account holder with Builderall, this will be the first page you will actually be taken to. And this particular page, if you go up here, you see this affiliate section here. That's where you have to click. You click on the affiliate button here so that it will take you straight down to the Funnel Club section. And the only those that have premium plans or premium plan subscribers of Builderall can be able to access the Funnel Club. So if you actually want to have access to this Funnel Club, then you have to sign up with the Builderall Premium Plan account, and I'll be leaving a link below where you actually sign up and become a premium account holder. So once you click on this particular affiliate button here on the dashboard, it will take you to the next page where, and on the left side you'll see that this says lead generation funnel, and that will be the page you will need to click, or the button you will need to click. Once you click it, there will be a drop down here that shows you the Funnel Club. So, and all you need to do now is to click on this Funnel Club so that you'll be able to see all the funnels that, with lead magnets that you can actually start using to generate sales and leads for your own businesses. And before I proceed to that, I also want you guys to see that every funnel inside lead every funnel inside the Funnel Club already has your affiliate links already on them. So all you just need to do is just to start sending traffic to them. That's if you're an affiliate marketer. If you decide to be an affiliate and strictly do the affiliate business, then you send traffic here. But if you don't want to be an affiliate and you want to use it solely for your own business needs, then you can also do that. And every of the inside the Funnel Club area, there are different funnel templates with different niches that are peculiar to every kind of business, which you can actually deploy for your own business needs. So having said that, these are still some extracts of some other funnel templates inside the Funnel Club that you could actually use for your own business needs. So, but for this particular video, I've decided to work with this particular funnel that says thermogenic foods. So I would like to work with this particular funnel and show you guys certain things you can actually do with any of the particular funnels of your chosen. But for me, I've chosen this particular one. So I'm going to click on the view. Once you click on the view funnel, it's going to take you to the page. It actually bring you to this place, this particular page. And from here, you can see I have my affiliate link here, and I can decide to promote my affiliate link or send traffic to this particular link. And once people get to this link and click on the link, it takes them to this homepage. This is the homepage. This is what they see. Once they click on the link, it brings them to this particular homepage where they could be able to see this. And this page actually has an ebook, a downloadable ebook, very beautiful, that they can actually download. And it says 7 main foods that accelerate your body metabolism. So a lot of people working as affiliate marketers or selling weight loss products like network marketers, I believe this is a very good template funnel you can actually use to generate leads and also be able to sell your products that are incongruent with this particular type of ebook here that has to do with weight loss. So as you can see, there's a provision for them to download the ebook here, and look at what happens with this particular funnel. Once they click on here to download the ebook, it takes them, it pops up, actually comes up in front of their screen requesting for them to provide their names and their email address before they can be able to go ahead to download this. So this is one of the strategies later on have actually inculcated inside this particular funnel to enable you to generate leads, because by them providing this information, you're able to capture their data, and once you capture their data, you can actually be able to start, sending them value content email follow-up, for you to actually warm them up and be able to make a sale, then directing them to whatever thing you actually want to sell to them, either your services or product or whatever. But the beautiful aspect of this is that before they're able to download the ebook, this pop-up comes up for them to provide their information, which is very, very effective as well. So once they provide their name as requested here and their email address, then click on the download button. It takes them to this particular page, and this is the thank you page. This particular page is where they can now be able to download the ebook as requested. But there's something you can actually do here. Inside Builderall, you have the ability to, edit any of the pages, either the home page or the thank you page, to suit your own business needs. So what I normally do is this. If I'm promoting this particular funnel, I'm trying to use this funnel as my lead magnet. Once I get to this thank you page, I just don't send them directly here. What I normally do, I'll edit this particular thank you page and put on, insert a call to action button where I'll be prompting them to actually do further stuff once they get to this page. And I'm going to show you guys what I did. But before I get to that point, I just want you guys to see that you can actually edit any of these pages. You can edit the home page. You can see the edit button here. And you can actually do all this at the back office of your Builderall account. Once you download these funnels into your account, then you go to the back office and do whatever thing you want to do with them. You can customize them to suit your own business needs. So, but for me, I decided to, customize the thank you page, and I inserted a call to action button, which I'm going to show you guys what I just did in few seconds. So guys, remember that this is the thank you page. Once they click on the download and after providing their details, it brings them to this page. So this is the original thank you page. But I told you guys that I went ahead and edited the thank you page and made it to suit my own business need. And what I did was I added extra buttons, a call to action button, trying to prompt them to do something else. And this is what exactly I did. I had to scroll up so that you guys will see. I actually added this particular section where I said they should check out the #1 recommended product to help you jumpstart fat burning now. And actually, created this call to action button where if they click on the show me the product, it will actually take them to a page where I'll be marketing a product to them. And the whole essence of doing this is that I've actually used this particular funnel now to, #1, by giving them an ebook, you've actually generated a lead, which is the first step. Then the second step is that I actually also want to use the same funnel to sell a product. So if you're an affiliate marketer or you are a networker or whatever business or services you're providing that is incongruent with this particular funnel, you can actually use this same strategy to, just like saying using one stone to kill two birds. I'm using this particular funnel to generate a lead and at the same time trying to make a sale. My intent here is purely to get the lead and also see if I can make a sale to them, because right now they've actually downloaded an ebook that's showing them the 7 main foods that accelerate body metabolism, and the next thing is that I'm also trying to sell to them a product that actually solves that same kind of problem. So once they click on this particular show me the product, it will take them to another page. So let's check it out. So you can see immediately they clicked on show me the product, it brought them to this Amazon page, sales page, showing them this particular product. And again, what I did was that I'm actually showing them a product that is also incongruent with the title or maybe with the product with the funnel they just clicked. I mean the ebook they downloaded rather. So you can see this particular product here also talks about thermogenic fat burner, weight loss supplement, appetite suppressant. It is incongruent. It is related to the ebook they just downloaded. So if you're an affiliate marketer selling products from ClickBank, or you're a networker with different health on the health niche, this is a strategy you can actually deploy, you know, to actually make sales and also generate leads. But guys, there's a disclaimer here. I'm not Amazon affiliate. I'm not promoting this product. I am not. So I'm only just using this particular product for educational and demonstrative purposes alone. So having said this much, guys, you can see that this is one of the ways you can actually use one of the done for you already made lead magnet funnels inside Builderall and start generating leads. If you just want to promote the product, the funnels, all you just need to do is send traffic directly. If you don't want to edit anything, if you don't have any other business, so this can actually become a full-time business for you by sending traffic to any of these funnels that have your affiliate link on them, and those that have the need will click on it. Once they click on it, then it prompts them to take further actions that will actually result to leads and sales for you. So it's a win-win situation. Either you're using it to promote your own personal business, or you want to use this alone to promote your affiliate link as a business of its own. Any strategy or any method you decide to adopt actually works, and it generates income for you. So having said that, guys, so you can actually see that giving out any of these ready-made lead magnet funnels, you would have successfully given out something of great value, and you also generated a lead to start building your list. And you can also use the lead magnet lead funnels or magnet to lead your prospects to your network affiliate marketing products or whatever services you're actually providing. And also make sure that you're also following up with your generated leads through emails by consistently providing valuable content. So guys, this is the time for you to become a Builderall affiliate by signing up through the affiliate link below in the description, and start utilizing the ready-made lead funnels inside Builderall Funnel Club and start generating leads and make more sales, and also start earning recurring monthly commissions for yourself. Besides that, so this is also one of the reasons why I love promoting Builderall. You know, it's one of the best-selling products in the market, and again, it generates stable recurring monthly income. And it also have ready-to-go sales funnels that will earn you income faster. And apart from that, so there's total support, there's trainings that will actually help you to be able to utilize this and start making money. And apart from that, too, it has an awesome customer retention rate. So once again, just like I said, there will be a link below this video for you to sign up and become an affiliate. And it is completely free to become a Builderall affiliate. And if you sign up for the Builderall paid premium plan that has the funnel club for premium account members, then you will have access to an exclusive private area where you have tons of invaluable resources that will show you how to get results faster, along with a community of Builderall affiliates that are ever ready to assist you anytime and any day. So viewers, we've come to the end of this video, and if you did got some value in it, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified the next time that I upload a video on my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you for staying by and watching this. Thank you once again.